Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Ciara here with the easy, super moisturizing holiday wash and go style using the new Kera Care Curl Essence line. And guys, this line is super moisturizing. Two of the main ingredients are black castor oil and coconut oil. So I'm so excited to show this tutorial. I've been using these products for a couple of months. To start the cleansing process off, I'm going to be co-washing my hair with the moisturizing co-wash, and this co-wash feels amazing on my hair. It's super moisturizing and it just makes my hair feel like silk. It has a really nice slip, and if you don't know what slip is, it's how well it helps you detangle your hair. This definitely helps me detangle my hair, and when I tell you guys, it left my hair feeling super light, detangled, and just super soft. So I definitely recommend this co-wash. And as you can see, just by co-washing one time, I didn't even pre-detangle or pre-poo. Just by co-washing one time, you can tell my curls are already starting to get defined. Now to start the curling process, this is my hair without any products in it after I've used the co-wash. You can tell my hair is just super light. It doesn't have much tang. I'm going to go ahead and start the styling process. The products that I'm going to be used for styling are the moisturizing leave-in conditioner and the moisturizing curl jelly. Now for this look, it's going to be a really simple side part wash and go, and I'm going to do a little bit of bobby pin art on the side of my hair just to make it more holiday and, you know, festive. So this is really simple if you want to do something for New Year's or even Christmas Day. I'm going to start with just making sure my hair is damp and still wet. I didn't dry it or anything. It's just kind of been out, and my hair dries fast when there's no product on it. Just finger detangling and using the moisturizing leave-in conditioner. You want to use this styler on wet, clean hair. This is really moisturizing. It feels really nice on my hair. It definitely helps with detangling. Even though it is a leave-in conditioner and leave-ins tend to be more light, this is really moisturizing. And I'm pretty sure it's because of the formula. These products are formulated for type 3 and 4 hair. I'm pretty faithful to the finger raking wash and go method. That's what works best on my hair. I notice I get the most defined curls when my curls are super detangled and when I do in smaller sections. So as you can see right here, I've started with the big section, but I'm gonna end up splitting it into 2 sections so I can really make sure the products are evenly distributed. Now I'm going in with the moisturizing curling jelly, and I've been playing with this curling jelly for a while. It definitely works best when you use it on wet hair. It gives you an amazing shine and definition, but you want to make sure you use it on wet hair. So I like to apply it just a little bit, and on top of this jelly, I like to apply the curl cocktail just to help seal the moisture in and also break the cast of the gel. Now I'm going to be going in with the moisturizing healthy edges, and I like this edge control. It's not cakey, and it also just left my hair feeling moisturized. You can see once my hair dries that there's no cakiness. My hair literally dried shiny and soft, and it gave me a nice hold. So this is the finished product of my wet hair. Now I'm gonna go in and dry my hair, but I'm gonna be using cool air, and I'm just using cool air to help with frizz. I feel like when I use warm air or hot air to dry my hair, it makes it more frizzy. I let my hair air dry. I did this entire style in the same day. So now I'm just gonna pick at the roots to add a little bit of volume. And this is my finished look, guys. My hair is super soft and I love it. Let me know in the comments below if you like this style and if you've tried the Curl Essence line. Love and blessings, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.